Hello and welcome. This is a summary of the cosine, sine, and tangent of special angles for the first quadrant, with notes that help with the other quadrants. Perhaps you have seen the cosine and sine of 0, 30, 45, 60, and 90 degrees as 1/2 the square root of the sequence 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 for the y-coordinate, and square root of 4, 3, 2, 1, 0 for the x-coordinate. Maybe you sketch this pattern on your paper to reference when you are taking a test. I'm going to show you a way to get these facts without having to write them. In the next picture, you see a hand. Place your left hand on top of the one in this sketch. How convenient it is that we have 5 special angles and 5 fingers. Now fold under your index finger so you can see 30 degrees. Are you placing your hand against the screen? Notice there are 3 fingers to the left of your folded finger and 1 finger to the right. Also notice the x-coordinate is 1/2 the square root of 3 fingers to the left, and the y-coordinate is 1/2 the square root of 1 finger to the right. Let's check some other fingers. Hide the thumb under your hand. Now we see the cosine of 0 is 1/2 the square root of 4 fingers to the left of 0. That's 1/2 of 2, or 1. And the sine of 0 is 1/2 the square root of 0 fingers to the right, or 0. Want to try one more? How about folding under the middle finger? There are 2 fingers on each side. Yeah, that works also. The cosine of 45 degrees is 1/2 the square root of 2, and so is the sine. Are you wondering about the tangent? It's taken care of as well, since it is y over x. It is the square root of the number of fingers to the right divided by the square root of the number of fingers to the left. Just think square root of right over square root of left. Let's check 60 degrees. With your ring finger folded under, see 3 fingers to the right and 1 to the left. The tangent of 60 degrees is square root of 3 on the right divided by the square root of 1 on the left, or simply the square root of 3. On the next page I'll show you a brief summary. You see the cosine of the angle is 1/2 the square root of the finger showing on the left. The sine of the angle is 1/2 the square root of the finger showing on the right, and the tangent of the angle is the square root of the fingers on the right divided by the square root of the fingers on the left. And you see the labels on the hand for the angles: 0, 30, 45, 60, 90 from the thumb to the pinky, and from the pinky down to the thumb it's pi halves, pi thirds, pi fourths. Skip the 5, it's pi sixths and 0. All you have to remember is the cosine is the x-coordinate and 1/2 square root of left fingers. The sine is the y-coordinate and is 1/2 square root of the right fingers. The tangent is the square root of right over the square root of the left. And the thumb is 0, index 30, middle 45, ring 60, and the pinky 90. Have fun using your awesome left hand for these facts. I hope you've enjoyed this.